Today I have 4 Halloween crafts and DIYs for you. Project number 1 is a set of door hangers. If you have double doors like I do, this is the perfect door hanger for you. I took these 2 wood rounds from Dollar Tree and I gave them a coat of Waverly white chalk paint, and then I'm also using these large Google eyes from Dollar Tree, and I'm simply hot gluing those into the center of the wood round and then adding some squiggly lines with a permanent marker to make them look like eyeballs. I then repeated the process for the other wood round. I used some twine and painted it black just by putting black paint between my fingers and rubbing it along that twine so that I can use this to actually hang the pieces. This is the perfect Halloween craft for double doors. This is a wood round that I got from Dollar Tree, I believe, and some scrapbook paper that I had in a scrapbook book. And I am painting the wood round with a combination of Waverly Elephant and Waverly chalk paint in ink. That gives it more of a charcoal look. Now I cut a pattern for the scrapbook paper. I'm rolling it, as you see here, to make a witch hat. I embellished the hat with some burlap ribbon, a twine bow, and a black button, and then I glued the top part of the hat to the wood round. This is such a simple paper Halloween craft. Project number 3 is a faux Halloween drink. I melted down these 3 candles in some boiling water, and I used one of the small jars with the handle from Dollar Tree, and I layered the candle wax in. I did let each layer dry before I added the last layer. I say I did that, but the last layer I put in a little too early, so my orange kind of fades into a lighter color orange, but that's okay. It worked out fine. Now, just to take up a little bit of space, I used a ping pong ball that I cut in half, and I placed it in the middle with some hot glue just to keep that in place because I'm going to be using some spackling on top. Mixed together some warm white paint and spackle with a little bit of Mod Podge until I got the consistency I was looking for. Then I placed it into a piping bag and piped it onto the top of the candle wax. I added part of a Halloween straw, and then I also added some sprinkles that some of which I bought and some of which I made from oven dry clay. Project number 4 is a ghost pumpkin. Moved the stem of the pumpkin and then I drew on kind of a ghost face and then cut that out. Once I had the face cut out, I did use a combination of terracotta colored paints and I painted the bottom part of the pumpkin. The top part of the pumpkin got a couple of coats of Waverly chalk paint in plaster. The goal was to try to make it look like the pumpkin had a sheet on it, like a ghost, and for the pumpkin to have a ghost face. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I'll have another video listed right here for you to enjoy, and be sure and share the chic. Thanks for watching. Bye now.